Know when you can see me, and we will start the chat. Let me know when I'm visible. Let me try to pick some stuff up here real quick, and there, done. What's up, Anthony? Nap, Perfect Stable, Bitcoin Broke, Null Nation, Dan T, Lady Plant Slot, what's up? Hey, Elton, Rowdy TV. Let's go, Bitcoin soon to break. What? 100K. GJ Guitar Samurai, up or down? I believe we still go up, guys. I'm still looking for that 10,065 range. I've been talking about this for over a week, and it seems to be looking like it's coming. Quackle, what's up? Dan T, how you doing, brother? How are your alts doing? Crypto Dummy needs just a little push. Love from London. What's up, Fizz? Matt, how you doing? Crypto Will, got done with the update, then bam, you're live. Right on, man. I hope you enjoyed the update this morning. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you check it out after the live stream. Seems to be playing out pretty well. Rowdy TV said we're in a bull market, guys. 3 to 6 month run up. Alts are doing awesome. Weekends is usually a pump. Not necessarily. It could go either way on the weekends, Fizz. It all depends. Emery, what's up, man? Weekly looking strong. Yeah, it has been looking strong. Let's go over to the weekly. If you guys have been watching my channel, so you know what I'm looking at on the weekly. If you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely take a second out, hit that subscribe button. And I need to get the charts on. Shit. Hold on a minute. Sorry about that, guys. I did not have the charts on. Why didn't somebody tell me? I was sitting there talking with nothing. What's up, Jamie? Chomsky. Is it still going down to 4K this year? Highly unlikely that we see 4K. Maybe get back down to the 7,700. Like I said, that 0.786, very worst case scenario would be around the 5,400, but I don't think that's happening. Chris Pope, what's up? What's up, CCS? You were 87th like today, CCS. See, I keep track of that shit. I actually read your guys' comments and respond, unlike a lot of other people that are too good for their viewers. Savage, do you have videos for tutorials like charts, graphs? I don't have TradingView or any stuff like that. Where I start, and it is possible to use free tools, or is it to pay? Emery, I have a link to a TradingView down below. You can check that out. You can use the free version and you get some free indicators just to try it out. I suggest if you're not actually trading or whatever, don't pay to use TradingView. Try it out for a little while, play with the charts on the free version and see what you think, man. Joe Thomas said, all pumped up, Savy. Hello from Prague. What's up, Peter? F is on fire for the last month, right? And we called that on this channel, if you guys remember, a couple weeks ago, actually right here. This chart I have not touched at all, and we hit our first target dead on. Pretty sweet. I have to pay for TradingView to use the EMAs. No, Nap, you don't have to pay for TradingView. You can get, I think it's three, maybe 5 indicators you get for free. So hold on a second, guys. My phone's been going kind of crazy this morning. Sorry about that. And I'll be back in the chat in 1 second. All right, all set. Win Kubota. Anthony, what's up, man? This should be the second parabolic move. Third move should run for a year plus. If you don't have Bitcoin or Litecoin, this is one of the best times to buy, in my opinion, says Anthony. Shazam, what's up? Dan T says 3 free indicators. So yeah, you get 3 free. Like I said, play with it, and then go from there. John said look for 4 EMA. They do have, there is a, let me pull it up real quick. Yeah, I think there is a, I think you can pull an indicator. Where the hell are they? Right here. Yeah, there is one that has, I think, 3 in 1. Not sure which one it is. Triple EMA right here. I don't know that they have a, yeah, there's a triple EMA. So with that one, you get 3 EMAs in 1. So that you can get 3 of the indicators in just 1 right there. So if you want to use the EMAs, that's a good start. Stojan, hey, what's up, man? What's up, Sean? Lady Plant said, Shazam, man, I see you everywhere. Asthmatic alt good, Savy. I don't like alts, man. The only altcoin I like is Litecoin. But that's my opinion. Doesn't have to be yours, man. Stojan said they have a quadruple EMA and use 4 in 1. I didn't see that on there. Let me check, see if I can see it. Is it actually, what's the name of it? Is it actually, it's not actually quad. But yeah, I just see the triple EMA. I don't see the other one. But yeah, if you could check the name of it and let them know in the chat. I do see the hype for Ethereum, but soon we'll hit some sort of resistance. Emery said, is it silly not to be in Ethereum at all? Some people would probably say yes. I'm not in Ethereum and I don't plan to be. I mean, I have bits and pieces of a lot that I just leave sit there. Got that porn vibe going on again. It's a Little Miss Bagster. It's a different music this time. Actually, people said they like this one more. What's up, Crypto BG? Joe Thompson said I hold a few shit coins, but like 1% of my portfolio. Yeah, man. I mean, there's nothing wrong. Like I said, nothing wrong with trading them or putting in some money and just kind of like playing the lotto. But I don't believe in shit coins. I think they're a horrible investment, but a good trading toy. Rowdy TV said XRP is going to the moon. Oh my God. Juven, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Crave Vincent. There's a free knockoff version of, yeah. Go to indicators on TradingView and search WEA Cipher A, WEA Cipher B. I like Link more than Ethereum, said Anthony. Yeah, Bitcoin's the safest bet, in my opinion. Looks like Bitcoin is trying to break up here again. Let's see if she can do it. We did have some hidden bullish divergence in the 15-minute here. A little bit. See if she can pop up. Crypto BG, I don't follow Link. I don't believe in any of that stuff. But like I said, that's just me. That was making fun of other YouTube vid titles. Yeah, I should start putting secret indicator shows blah blah blah, or oh my God, you won't believe this blah. But just I mean, I get it, just getting people to watch your videos, but I mean, come on, the same thing all the time. Secret indicator. For one, the guy that does that sucks at TA, doesn't even do his own TA. And he's got a bunch of viewers. I don't understand people that watch those. I guess they just like hype crazy nonsense. Bitcoin Cash is not taking over Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin Cash and BSV are absolute 100% scam, counterfeit garbage. Do not listen to that shit, especially if you're new in crypto. Don't listen to that. That stuff is garbage. Sean McGovern, smash the likes. Yeah, guys, don't forget, take a second out, hit the like button. If you're on mobile, all you have to do is exit the chat for a second, hit the thumbs up, and then hit live chat and you're back. It only takes a second and it really helps the video out. Emery, Jason Bond's stock video adverts are the best to watch. Crazy Crypto Crazy said B trash. Fizz said Bitcoin is king. That's right. Fizz said DeFi will smash it for the crypto community. Yeah, I think DeFi is just a little hype session, just like the ICO hype was, so I wouldn't count on it too much. Bitcoin Stinky V. Bcash Connect. Anthony said BCH and BSV having coming too. That shit going down hard as F. I gotta try to quit cussing in my videos. The YouTube algorithm doesn't enjoy that, so I'm gonna try not to do it. No promises. What's the hash rate? Any rise? I don't know. I haven't checked. Let me see what I can find. Bitcoin hash rate. Nope. The hash rate is still right at 106 million terahashes, I think. I can't see. It cuts the rest off. Fitzgerald said your ETH target is spot on. Thanks, man. What's up, GOXRP? How you doing, man? Fitzgerald said higher hash rate. I mean the hash rate's still, you know, in the long term it's going up nicely, so. Emery said the thing is Bitcoin Cash, seriously, if you check the returns, is crazy. It seems way better than Bitcoin's. Bitcoin is the longest, safest blockchain there is. Bitcoin Cash is not safe at all. Bitcoin SV is not safe at all. They're both garbage. Don't get tricked into that crap. They are both scams. They're both centralized and they're both scams. Pay attention to what's going on. They're putting a tax on Bitcoin Cash. Really? That's called centralization bullcrap. What do people think about Decentraland? Is it truly decentralized censorship? Guys, when somebody builds stuff like that, like Decentraland, there's people behind the scenes making money. That's not decentralized. That's centralized. People aren't going to work on that stuff and not have a way to funnel money to them. It is centralized BS. Decentraland, come on. That crap is a bunch of crap, man. Anyone believing in the YouTubers that are getting paid to tell you about that crap, quit watching them. Garbage. Bcash is great if you like a Ponzi scheme. Right on. Okay, check Litecoin on the weekly. I will do that. Oops, that's Bitcoin. My bad. Let me go over to, where the hell is my Litecoin? There it is. And let's put it on the weekly. And that's Litecoin on the weekly. I'm still looking for that 79. It's definitely got room to run on the weekly, even on the RSI. Do I think it'll go up too much higher? Probably not a whole lot. But the RSIs look good. The 55 EMA is supporting it right now on the weekly, which is pretty damn bullish. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on it for sure. Back into the 4 hour. What the hell happened there? Bitcoin did what I was Litecoin did what I was talking about. Get above the 75. Test it for support, which it looks like we have done. And we may be cruising up from here to our 79 target. Been in crypto for several years. Watched hundreds of YouTubers, TAs, guys, etc. Watch one video of yours and boom, you got it. Nailed it, bro. Subbed, alerts with bell on. Thanks, Will. I appreciate that, man. No problem, Cray. I really want some nimble, wimble, mumbo, jumbo green coin. Wish you great success with your channel. Thanks, Will. I appreciate that, man. I really do appreciate that. You would be surprised the hate comments and all that crap I have to delete all the time from the trolls. I actually, speaking of trolls, well, I'll bring it up if we get a troll in here. Gray said Ethereum is fake. Ethereum's on its second failure. Ethereum is like a little kid in high school that doesn't know what it wants to be. It was all about dApps, then it was all about ICOs, and now it's all about DeFi. It just keeps picking up new things to try to get hype. And remember, there's a lot of people that work for Ethereum, advertising, marketing. That's all it is to me, is hype. I mean, I could be totally wrong, but that's just my opinion on Ethereum. That's why I like Litecoin and Bitcoin. They're truly decentralized. Martinez is buying at 9,800, hoping for 10K worth of risk versus reward. You mean? It depends. If you're holding it long term, I don't think there's nothing wrong with that. If you're trying to trade it, that's a whole different story. By the way, if you guys are trading or interested in trading, I do have links down below for Bybit and Prime XBT. Both of them give you a sign-on bonus when you sign on, make a deposit. I do have some promo codes for my Prime XBT link down below. You can get a 35% bonus even if you already are using my Prime XBT link. They're giving it to you again. All you got to do is put CryptoSavy in the promo code, and there's another promo code which is CryptoSavy25. If you put that in there, you get 25% off your fees for a month. So there you go. CCS, Chico Crypto was bashing all TA people on his last video. Not sure what he was trying to accomplish. He's trying to get people to quit watching TA channels so they can watch his channel by talking shit about TA, because he doesn't understand TA. He probably tried trading for a while and got absolutely wrecked. That's why he doesn't like TA. He probably don't have the brain capacity to understand TA. That's why. He just likes knocking other people. He's like a YouTube troll. And let's look at trolls. What do we know about trolls? This is an actual study done, I think it was Harvard, but it says psychological studies show trolls tend to be male. They show high levels of psychopathy traits, low levels of empathy, guilt, and responsibility for their actions, higher levels of sadism traits, the enjoyment of causing others physical and psychological pain. So there's Chico in a nutshell, guys, and all the other trolls that talk shit in people's chats and whatever. Terracy, you are a troll. I just described you, Terracy. Yeah, that is what trolls are. And yeah, and I just explained it. Isn't that crazy, crypto crazy? I like Moon and Crypto Zombie, CryptoSavy, Tomebase, Joe Saz, Socrates, and Crown's Crypto Cave are amazing TA guys. And extremely unhappy and angry people. Yeah, they're angry with themselves and they try to portray it out on other people. Is exactly what they are. They're not happy with their own lives and the way they feel about themselves. At this converting to a staking coin in the next few months, you will need 32 blah blah blah. They just want a bunch of people to buy the coins. That's a marketing strategy. Buy 32 of them to stake them, and then in a couple years down the road, it will be garbage, and they'll be trying to figure out a new use case. Randall McMurphy, I'm a TA guy. Tits and ass. We know you love tone, Lady Plantslot. Okay, yeah, you deal with it well. I try, man. It can be frustrating. Life's too short to be a troll. Enjoy it. Right on, Stojan. Will Coinbase give S staking to us if we have a few only? I don't know. I don't care. Anyways, I love your show, Savy. Thanks for all the work and good info. Thanks, Cray. Don't like being a troll. You know I love you, Savy. Savy, if I go long Bitcoin one times, how does it work? If you go long Bitcoin one time, you might as well just buy regular Bitcoin. I mean, that's what it is. Look at Chico sending all these scrubby trolls in here. He's like master trolls selling his little minion trolls. So basically no bullshit. You reckon just stick with Bitcoin, forget the other coins? I do. I mean, that's the safest bet in my opinion. You can play with the other coins. I mean, yeah, you can make money off them if you trade them, but to actually want to hold them and think they're actually going to be something, I don't recommend that, but that's all on you. That's Chico on his alt YouTube, probably, man. Trolls have serious mental issues, guys. They are unstable people. Name should be Chica. Gene Rock, Savvy at his finest when trolled. But what about Litecoin? Am I losing out? I like Litecoin. I hold Litecoin and I hold Bitcoin. One of the only other altcoins that I actually like, and I don't suggest holding it, but that it's actually having a use case, is Bat token with Brave browser. It's pretty cool. I do have a Brave browser link down below too if you want to use Brave. It is a great browser. You don't have to deal with commercials and pop-ups and all that crap. Tree said Bitcoin is the one and only. Dan T said sending in his brainwashed cult members. Yeah, pretty much, man. He is something else. That guy's really got something wrong with him, seriously. Watch all episodes of those TA people and YouTube and see if they're right. Do you have any privacy coins, Savvy? No, I don't have any privacy coin. I don't think the government will. I think the government will frown on privacy coins. So, and people that think they're gonna overtake the government or something, that's not gonna happen. So, I'm not messing with privacy coins. But I mean, if you want to, that's your thing. At least their comments help the channel, right? Helps the YouTube algorithm. Right on, Crypto Will. Isn't Litecoin Foundation low on cash? It's scary. Geo. Litecoin's actually done and does what it's supposed to. And it uses the same stuff Bitcoin does. So every time they make something new for Bitcoin, it goes on to Litecoin first because that's the test net. So Litecoin really doesn't need anybody, and I would rather it didn't have anybody like Bitcoin because it's decentralized. It's not depending on shit. Raid said Savvy loves Dogecoin. Savvy does not love Dogecoin. When do you think the bull run will end? 2021, I believe, and here is the chart that I'm looking at for that. Here's the monthly. I used to show this a lot. I don't show it that much anymore, but here's the weekly. And it could, if it follows this trend line here, each one of these trend lines down here is the cycle. and 2021, if it follows this trend line and the cycle, would be around 316,000. Not saying that's going to happen. I'm saying if it was to follow this, that's probably what we would see. Australia's blockchain roadmap release. Guys, hit the likes if you haven't already. Let's get this out there. Yes, Litecoin was forked, soft forked off of Bitcoin, not a hard fork, it's soft fork. So it's not competing with Bitcoin. The ones that compete with Bitcoin will most likely fail miserably. Litecoin does not compete with Bitcoin. GeoXRP, Savvy, do you ever utilize Tether? I do not. I do not utilize Tether. And honestly, I don't really have anything against Tether. But I don't utilize it. I don't use it. Joseph, good morning, man. Derek said, are we in a confirmed bull market? I think we're in a bull market, but I still think we're going to have another correction. And I've been showing that right here. I think we're, and I could be wrong. If we blow past the 11,400, anywhere this trend line, wherever we touch this trend line, if we blow past that, then yeah, bull market. But otherwise, I still see possible rejection around that golden pocket and down to around the $7,700 to $8,000 range, possibly. It's definitely something I'm going to be keeping an eye on. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, I suggest you subscribe, and we will be keeping an eye on this. I do daily updates every single day. Gene Rock, is that how you pronounce your last name? Much appreciated. Thanks for the tip, man. Bitcoin Gold is too hackable, 51% attacks and such. All the generic Bitcoins are. Bitcoin cheese and Bitcoin poop, Bitcoin banana. I mean, really? Thank you, Gene. It's nice to see that people out there appreciate it, and just to hear them. And you know that the way to show appreciation, guys, is just hit the like button when you watch the videos in the morning. Try not to forget, and leave a comment. It really helps the channel. It helps the channel grow, and it makes this all worthwhile. Savvy, at this time, what is your 2020 Bitcoin all-time high expectations? In 2020, I really don't have anything yet. I'm really not looking too far ahead of it, but if we did a measured move off of a breakout here, depending on where we break out, we could see definitely over 20,000 this year, possibly. There's a recommended video under you for $1 million XRP endgame. Crazy, man. Crazy. Nobody pay attention to that video. It is paid bullcrap. So you know. People hate hearing they're invested in shitcoins with no real value. Yeah, unfortunately, I mean, it's just like penny stocks. You know, they prey on new people that don't understand what crypto really is, what Bitcoin really is. So unfortunately, I mean, we can try to make people as aware as we can, but that's all we can do. You know, there's so many scams in crypto. There's scammer YouTubers. And I know of one as of right now that someone scammed a bunch of people out of a bunch of Bitcoin. It's sad, man. It's sad. Mates, like the video right now as I've liked right now. NASA is a scam. What's up? It's flat. It's crazy how BCH been leading this bull market this year. Yeah, I mean, not really. It's just, it's communities pumping it and stuff. I mean, it's garbage, guys. And of course it's going to pump when Bitcoin pumps. Eventually, though, that's all going to stop, man. When people come to realize what Bitcoin is, the real Bitcoin, they're going to be dumping all these crap coins, and they're going to be dumping them hard, real hard. Derek on the charts, Litecoin seems to lead the market by 15 to 30 minutes. One south side player said engine coin green buy signal is lit heavy right now. Yeah, if somebody's trading, wants to trade it, I suppose. I hold $50 worth of XRP. Hopefully it does, but I really don't think so. I'm blowing up Lambos for fun. Hybrid reserve, also beware, guys. Can't believe their website's still alive. Crypto will, yeah, that could hurt. Derek says, I say it's a lot of traders who don't hold any intelligence. Either that or just people with a lot of money to get, you know, which the people that run them coins have a lot of money and they can get a lot of hype around it and get it to pump, and then they can dump it on all the poor souls that are buying it. That's called money grabs, man. Captain Lunchbox, good morning, Savy. Thanks for the update, sir. No problem. If you guys haven't watched the update after you're done with this video, definitely go check it out, the morning update. And yeah, check it out. Does Bitcoin want to pump here? Does Bitcoin want to pump? I believe so. Oh, there's another Chico boy. That is definitely Chico and Chico's mentality. Definitely. T45 is most likely Chico crying. If not, it's one of his little troll boys. How high do you think Tulsa can go? I don't really pay attention to Tulsa on that, bud. Hold on a second, guys. Oh, phone is blowing up. This is work, so hold on one second. So, is anyone in a trade right now? Hit 1 if you're in a trade, hit 2 if you're not. T45 reported and blocked. Nice. Trolls, man. So, if you guys were with us earlier, we read what a troll is and what makes it tick, and I'll do that again right now. So, a lot of people in a trade. And, psychological study shows trolls tend to be male, show higher levels of psychopathy traits, low levels of empathy, guilt, and responsibility for their actions, and higher levels of sadism traits, the enjoyment of causing others physical and psychological pain. Trolls are also motivated by what psychologists call atypical social rewards. Generally, people are motivated by creating a positive environment, but trolls do not, and they are just miserable people. There's a cup and handle bullish pattern on the 1-day chart. On Bitcoin, are you talking about? No, hold on. I think Bitcoin might do a little pump here, so let's... Geo said it sounds like my wife. When are you going to get that dog on live? My dog? What's up, Boston? Long from 92.50 with 40% of my pot holding 60% US dollar. Nice, Cray. Good job, man. Emery says, don't know how to trade, but I want to learn. Lots of information out there. Bitcoin been shilling Ripple. It's funny what money can do to people, man. Is Sunny Decree an okay channel? I don't know. I really don't watch Sunny Decree. I've watched a couple of his, but I don't really watch any other YouTubers, guys. Here we go. It's pumping. I really don't watch many other YouTubers other than CryptoSavy. He's about the only one I really watch anymore. He's a good guy. I know him personally, so He's real. Anybody you follow or suggest, or is it just you, the crypto savage? CryptoSavvy's a good dude if you like to keep up with the news and stuff. But really, like I said, I don't watch a lot of YouTubers, so I mean, just kind of look around, do your own research. There we go, guys. We're pumping. It is gonna pump. Let's see how high we can get. We did just break that trend line. We still have to break this high up here at 98.88. Savvy watching Mitch Ray. I went in there one day and asked him to do a collaboration, and he said yeah, because people were talking about him on the channel. I really don't watch him, but I went in there and he seemed like an alright guy, and I talked to him a little bit in his live stream. Yeah. Do you think Savvy it will be the last and final bull run? No, I do not think it will be the last. What's up, Novsky? It's Flat said I got a crush on Crypto Liz. Oh, F, it's pumping. Thing is, I don't have big bags like you guys. Cray said, take it slow. Start with a couple hundred and make trades. If you are successful, you can add more later. Gots to go. Take it easy, Gio. Steven Watson is in a trade. Perfect, stable, Sharpie genius. I don't know that to be a fact, so I won't read it. Crypto, Ocon MX22. I don't like Crypto because he doesn't actually do any TA of his own, and he just has other people on, and he pulls up other people's charts, and he always says he's got a secret indicator that's doing this and doing that. And him and his partner have been wrong more than they've been right. A lot more. Novograt's been saying to short altcoins. Crypto Will, yeah, you and Zombie are the only ones I follow. I watch so many for months, and Savvy and Zombie are the best. Others just trying to get views and shill dumb stuff to make them more money and could. Care less if people with little money to invest lose everything. Right? It's sad, man. Good to get the bearish analysis every day and see the other side if you are a bull. Yeah, for sure. And that's why I give bearish targets too, because I'm not always right either, but I can, by using TA and using it right, you can tell both targets, and then you just find your confirmation zones, and that's what helps you. So when I give, the bullish targets and the bearish targets, I don't have time to whip on a video real quick when the confirmation is made either way. That's why I try to explain it in the videos. I don't know about Crypto or Da Vinci. They seem too advertisey. Seriously? Yeah. Broke. Novsky said, broke 9K euro a couple times now. Felt like 10K was broke. Lambo and Cybertruck. Kevin Swenson, how's his stuff? I don't watch him either. D-Mac, thanks, brother. Much appreciated, man. The Modern Investor, very informative, and Crypto Daily is very funny. Isn't the Modern Investor XRP shiller? Or is that the Digital Asset Investor? Something like that. Crypto Common Sense, also good, besides my #1 Savvy, like Zombie 2. Thanks, Matt. Raul, what's up, man? How the hell are you? Boston said it's a good day for crypto. Yes, it is. Every day is a good day for crypto. Good to hear, Raul. Sean said no, he hates XRP. Oh, yeah. See, I don't know a whole lot about a lot of other YouTubers. I've watched a few in the past, and most of them I just don't like, and a lot of them just because they put on put on stuff that, you know, and you can really kind of tell they really don't know what they're talking about, and they just hype stuff. So yeah, that's how I feel. Okan MX said, yeah, I used to watch tons of channels, now it's just a few here and there, right? Southside Player Crypto said Da Vinci is always wrong. Yeah, I see that a lot. I've heard that from many too. Can you do an interview with the fib guy, Savy? No thanks, man. What we are expecting, dumper pump. I just came. I'm just expecting that 10K, and you know, we could come back down to the 9750 area, and wow, this is a 15-minute. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. You know, we still could retrace more, but I think ultimately I'm still waiting for that 10K area. We could come all the way back down and test this 55 EMA again, but it's looking like we might get a pump here, guys. It is looking like we might get a pump. I got a brisket on the smoker to celebrate the pump. Right on, Joe. Treese, CryptoSavy is the best channel. If you are new, just found this channel first, you're lucky as hell. Thanks, Treese. I appreciate that, man. What are your thoughts on Tyler S? I've never watched Tyler S, to be honest with you, man. I've heard his name a couple times. Bitcoin Ben live stream notification so popped up. He said extremely urgent. No comment. No comment, guys. OB Records, I was away. Savvy, what is going on with Litecoin? Get down to test 71 or go to 78, 79 pump? I think we're good. If you've been watching my videos, I'd said once we got above 75, if we can confirm that as support, which I think we have here, looking at 79. I am looking at the 79 target. Patrick, he is one of the few YouTubers who said to sell silver and buy Bitcoin. The Oracle fast trading is a scam. OB Records. Oh. Nap said, let's go. Everyone is waiting for a correction. Howdy, crypto buddies. What's up, Jay? Bitcoin Broke said, here we go. We're trying. Oh God, yes, they stupid. Oh my God, and pump secret that nobody else is talking about or showing you. Clickbait. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And the sick thing is they get tons of views. And people keep going back and watching it. I don't get it. Okay, Roger. Ricky T. M. Miller. Chris is not with no one. He does is on TA. Chris is not with no one. He does his own TA. Oh, okay, I got you. Oh, Kamikaze. This clown predicted 46K in December. Savvy, please, man. Wonder who that is. Anyway, go ahead and troll on, but you guys say that, and if you watched, all the other big guys were calling for 100, 50, whatever. I stuck with it until I thought it was no longer valid. Not a big deal. We're still going to hit 46K. I was just off on the time, so I'm good, man. You could have left his message there. I could care less about goofy-ass people like that. I just described you, Kamikaze, anyway, and I'll read it again, because when the trolls come in, I like to them to realize what they are. And it also says in here there's no helping them, because they are psychopaths. So, psychological studies show that trolls tend to be male, show higher levels of psychopathy traits, low levels of empathy, guilt, and responsibility for their actions, and high levels of sadism traits and enjoyment of causing others physical or psychological pain. Trolls are also motivated by what psychologists call atypical social rewards. They are very miserable people. Troll. Gotta love them. The crypto YouTubers except Chico are all great people, salt of earth. They are daily entertainment, and I appreciate all of them. Yeah, I mean, entertainment's entertainment, right? Damn it, Bitcoin Ben said Bitcoin going up now is gonna go down. Ben is cool, but when he predicts something, it does the opposite. Because of his exchange guy. Guys, people on the exchanges don't know any more of where the price is going than you do. If someone is right 100% of the time, they wouldn't have time to care for YouTube because they would have trillions of dollars. Right on, Crypto Will. Savvy still got that troll tab open. Hell yeah, I got it open. There's tons of trolls that need to realize how miserable and crappy their lives are. And if they just quit trolling, they might feel better about themselves. My mother taught me, got nothing good to say about someone, don't say anything at all. Right on, Matthew. Your mom didn't raise a psychopath like apparently some of these guys' parents did. And all they, you know, I hit my targets all the freaking time, and all the trolls can say is they talk about the 46K. That's long gone, over, whatever. We're still going to 46,000. It's just not in the time frame I said. Period. They can go back to all my videos, and you can look at a couple weeks ahead, and all my targets hit all through, all of them. Period. Crypto Will, some people are generally nice and want to share good TA. Sean, spot on. Matthew, go Litecoin. Litecoin's doing a little pump here. It's heading to 79. Check it out. Have you seen the 12 monthly forecast from FibFib? No, I haven't. Can you please, Savvy, do a simple Elliott wave count on the daily Bitcoin? On the daily Bitcoin, this whole thing, I really don't have enough time to sit because I don't use Elliott that much. I used to. That's all I started with when I started. I used Elliott Wave for about 3 years. I don't really use it anymore. I will kind of use it, but I don't use it to predict anything. It just doesn't work like that. If you want to learn anything, learn how to use the fibs. You don't need Elliott Wave if you learn how to use the fibs. Sean McGovern, yeah, mate. Shabbat, 46K scammer savvy. People lost money listening to you last year. Shabbat. Do you not know that I'm not a financial advisor, and I tell that every time, and I tell people to do their own due diligence? 46K, Emery, because I was calling 46K by the end of 2020 because it matched the gold chart, and as soon as it didn't anymore, I told people it didn't match the gold chart anymore. But people want to whine and cry about it. And that's great that the trolls keep subscribed to my channel so they can come on in and keep my views up, and they think that the thumbs down hurt my feelings or something, and that just helps the YouTube algorithm more with their psychopathic people. Terra Sardo, 46K still in play. And yes, it is still in play. What do you think of Paxos Gold? I don't think of it. Neo USDT to 15. Oh God, but I mean 46K is miles away. Did they really think it will happen tomorrow? People are strange, man. Yeah, I think over 100K will happen for sure. Luck said, how do you lose money if 46K is a target, right? Because while everybody else was telling everybody that we were going to $1,000 and shit, I was telling people to buy at $3,200. It's all proof in the videos. Just go back in my videos. It's proof all the way back. And I always gave the bearish and bullish case scenario. Savvy, what'd you do with your 6 Tesla shares? Sean McGovern said Savvy needs more likes, guys. Hit the likes, guys. Bro, in Telegram, I saw a Telegram channel with the name Trading Crypto Coach with scam tag. How is it possible? I don't understand what that's meaning. Nice delivery, Savy. Bitcoin forever from UK. Thanks, Michael Watson. Thanks, Emery, for already hitting your like. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want daily updates every single day. And make sure you tick that notification bell and the little thing that pops up, hit the all so you do get notified. Just because you're subscribed and tick the bell doesn't mean YouTube's going to notify you every time. You have to hit the all button. People hear what they want to hear, right, Dan? Gene Roach, where did you learn to trade, Savvy? I started out in penny stocks, and I believe it or not, I started out with Tim Sykes' program a long time ago. Got into penny stocks, and then started studying Elliott Wave, and then I got into crypto in 2017, and kind of just formed my own TA that you guys see here, which is kind of a combination of a little bit of Elliott in there, fibs, trend lines, and Wyckoff. Savvy has a black wife. Yuck. DD prejudice. And my wife's not black, but even if she was, why would you care? Yeah, pretty strange. Probably should get rid of DD because they're obviously... And that's probably Chico too, because I heard he's pretty damn racist. I don't want racist people in my community, so... Doug Doherty, I like every Savvy I watch, which is every day. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. Trolls are heavy today. They're pissed off, but probably Chico fans and bears. Now Chico's claiming he called 10K. I called 10K. He was still calling for another 6K before we rose with his Chico analysis. Dude's an idiot, man. Matthew Clifford, I have to admit, Savvy keeps it simple and targets met more than most. Haters gonna hate. They're probably losing traders, right? They're just fools, man. Fools. I watch Chico just so I can report him for his crap. Right on, Matthew. I went to Bitcoin Ben to see what he was saying. Please forgive me. What was he saying, Jeremiah? Out of curiosity. How do you earn with the Brave browser? I've installed it and used it for a few days, but I still have zero BAT. You got to go into the settings in the BAT in the browser, and you turn on I forget what it's called. I don't know if I can show it on here. Your crypto rewards. You got to turn that on and turn the ad block off, and it will reward you for watching commercials and stuff. That's how you get it. You gotta watch the commercials and whatever, and basically they pay you to watch the commercials. Did you try using D-Live, Savvy? I have not. I have not tried using any other platforms. Herdy, another one. These are definitely Chico trolls with the Herdy. Savvy's a black lover. Disgusting. That's crazy. I mean, come on. Like I said, even if my wife was black, who cares? She isn't, but if she was, Brave rewards, purple triangle at the top right screen. Get rid of Herdy. The Chico trolls are coming in herds, and they do. Watch, Chico will probably make a video saying something shitty about me because that's just how he is. He's a little man syndrome, Napoleon syndrome, little goofball that people actually believe and trust for some reason. But anyway, he's got his little community that run around and do like that type shit for him. Weird shit. He'll be getting banned from YouTube pretty soon anyway. He keeps showing people's videos and stuff, and that's copyright. So he's gonna get banned. Herdy name says it all. His feelings are Herdy. His voice is annoying, and the whole time, if you watch him, his eyebrows never stop moving. They go all over the place, and he can't pronounce half the words that he reads on his teleprompter. Guys like him are a dime a dozen, right? Uncle Jerry strikes again. This Chico person. What is the full proper Chico name, please, so I can beware? Chico Crypto. His whack job. He's got issues, man. He should wear a tinfoil hat too. He comes up with the craziest shit, and he makes it sound good with the stuff he brings up, but it's all just a show, guys. It's BS. He hates Binance because he hates anybody that's more successful than him. If you ever notice the people he really gets on, like CryptoSavy, anyone that in CZ, the people he really gets at, they're more successful than him. He's jealous, and he's just like a little Napoleon syndrome, little man syndrome boy. And he's real immature. He always says poop and just, he's so immature, man. That he's gonna pay Rice Crypto to produce some of his videos because he says he puts out quality content. Rice Crypto has been having comp problems. Have they seen Halle Berry? She's hot as hell. Possible 98.30 to 40, then bounce off inverse head and shoulders is in play. Possibly. Chico shilled hard, Neo and other. He shills everything. He shills everything. The best thing I learned from Savy is show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Right on, Gene. How long have I been on now? I started with Savy and stick to Savy as targets hit most of the time. He will tell you what can happen both ways. You just have to choose up or down. Yeah, and watch the... There's areas that I tell you to watch too. If it passes this point, it's, you know, going here. If it passes this point, this is where it's going. You got to pay attention. You don't just hear what you want. And I tell you what my opinion is, but my opinion is just based off what I think. The TA is what actually gets you to where you're going. Any news on this China coin? No. Yeah, anyone that's more successful than him, he makes fun of. That's what he does, Jeremiah. He's got Napoleon syndrome. He's a little munchkin dude with eyebrows that don't stop moving, little tiny beady eyes that are sunk in the back of his head. And yeah, I'm gonna talk shit about him personally because that's all he does is talk shit about everybody. Do you still have Stellar Lumen, Savy? Yeah, I still have, like I said, I have a little mixture, not a lot of shit coins, just ones that were given to me or I got free or whatever, but I've never bought any. Attila, hey, Savy, thanks for the content. I learned a lot from you. Thanks, man. I remember you bought into Bybit before. Did you follow that project? I saw Da Vinci. Yeah, and that is what it is, and that's one of the reasons I'm so hard on the shitcoin things now. Patrick, I was talking about him because other people were asking questions. If you don't like it, you can leave, brother. No biggie. Charts are heating up. Yes, sir. In your opinion, do you believe Litecoin will hit 90? It all depends right here. Like I said, I mean, eventually, yeah, but I think we're gonna know more here about how hard we get rejected off of 79. Just keep an eye on it. But yeah, it's still possible we hit the 90 for sure. And just like Bitcoin, still looking at that 10,065 area. Savvy, do you think Bitcoin will come down to 8.5 to fill the gap or what? George, that's what I was saying. If you watch the beginning of my videos, I explain it in here. I do believe that will most likely get rejected somewhere around this 11.1 to 11.4 area, depending on how soon we can get up to it. And then probably back down to the $77,000 to $8,000 range before really starting the real bull run. Your TA is really clear, good to watch, and you explain it well. Thanks, man. What happened with Bybit? I don't know. They're I mean, it's not official that they're gone or whatever, but their Telegram is gone. Yeah, so I don't know, and I haven't heard anything new. I check their Twitter page every once in a while. I really haven't noticed anything. I haven't checked it in like a week or two though, so. Litecoin was 126 last year, I think, but sure. I think Litecoin was like 146 last year, I believe. Had its halving and then the price dove. Do you have any news from the old fella you interviewed last time? You talking about Ugly Old Goat? No, you guys can check him out. He's got a channel. He talks a lot. He does a lot of articles on Medium too. He's a good old dude, man. Yep, that's right, Sean. I personally look at the special numerical sequences on Litecoin. Next resistance and pop at 77.77 only because stupid numbers. It is what Litecoin loves. High at 420, for example. Nice theory, man. Any fundamental news, bro? Nah, I don't believe in the fundamental news. The charts pretty much will tell you everything you need to know. Black loving Bybit shiller. Bybit shiller. I could be. People say that, but Bybit shilling isn't shilling. That's offering you a place to trade. If you want to trade, I don't tell you to trade. I don't tell you have to trade. I tell you not to use high leverage. I tell you not to put in more than you're willing to lose. I don't do like the guy that sent this dude in that shills shit coins, that Gate EO exchange sells that they shill. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, Gate EO or IO or whatever is a place that sells shit coins, and the shitcoin shiller has that in his thing. They offer leverage trading while he tells people not to Bybit leverage trade, and they're not licensed or what's the other thing? They're not licensed, and they're not registered, so they're not legal. And Bybit is legal. And Bybit, you have a choice. I'm not telling you to buy a shit coin that you're going to sit in and lose all your freaking money over time, just bleeding money out. If you want to try trading, try trading. It's not for everybody. Well, no news isn't always bad news. They might have deleted their accounts because of trolls. It's possible, especially after what happened. So yeah, like I said, I'm not sure what is going on with that. Look at all the trolls coming from you know who. That's so funny. CCS, it's racist because Crypto Chico's racist, and these are his little minions, his little sheep. Maybe they can go back and explain, if he's not sitting in here watching now, explain what's wrong with his head, that he's, got some psychopathic traits, low levels of empathy, guilt, and responsibility, and has a basically miserable life, but will not let anybody know how miserable their life are. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's just trolls. I mean, you can't let them get to you. Who gives a shit? Chico loves to watch these streams. Trolls will always suck at life. Yes, they will. Yes, they will. Bringing racist comments in a cryptocurrency channel is plain sad. Them are the people that are destroying the cryptocurrency space, and Chico's one of them, man. He splits the space. He starts crap with everybody. He's a piece of work, man, and he's responsible for a lot of the idiot stuff like this you see going on. Well, here's your 7777 resistance. That's funny. Did it actually hit 7777 and get resistance there? 77.92 on Coinbase. So depends on what one you're watching, I suppose. It is sad. It is sad. All right. So is it going to hit the 79? I do believe most likely, and it will match up perfectly on this trend line that I've had here forever and a day. Actually needs moved down a little bit. Right there. So yeah, 79 will most likely be hitting today. And Bitcoin is still trying to pop. Looks like it's going to pop here. Well, I'll stick around, see if we pop up here. Whoops, damn it. Did not mean that. And yeah, stick around for a little bit longer, see if we can pop up here. Whew. Tired. I drank too much coffee this morning, man. Made me tired. Weird. Like, I can drink coffee and go to sleep. I don't get it. Whoops. Damn it. I lost the chat. Hold on a minute. There we go. So, one more time. If you didn't hit the like button already, make sure you smash that like button. If you are if you're on your mobile, then exit the chat, hit the like button, and then re-enter the chat. Total market cap, steady increase. We're going up. Emery, Savage, do you reckon it's very hard to come back down below 10K again once we pass it? No, I don't. I don't think it'll be that hard, but we'll see. Like I said, I do daily updates. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Mr. Kobayashi, what's up? Savvy nailed the bull flag, brother. Love the channel. Thanks, R West. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. That off there. So anyhow, let's take a vote. Do you think we're gonna hit that 10,070? Hit 1. If you don't think we're gonna hit it, hit 2. Blizz, come on, man, deal with it. So for instance, if we head past 20K, do you reckon we'll ever go below 10K? Nah, if we pass 20K, I don't think we'll go back under 20K. 10K is coming. Justin Langstaff doesn't think so. Emery doesn't think so. And George K. Chimney don't think so. Steve doesn't think so. Savage Savvy. So more people are thinking we're gonna hit it than not. I think we maybe hit it pretty soon, actually. Would you buy Litecoin now? I would probably wait for a pullback before I bought Litecoin, to be honest. I mean, but if you're gonna hold it long term, definitely. I mean, it's not gonna hurt. Manny says no. How are there 180 viewers and only 14 likes? Are you serious? There's a dislike button too if you really don't want to smash the like. Guys, come on, hit the thumbs up button or down, I don't care. Will we pass 10K by next week, Wednesday? 1 yes, 2 no. I think we'll pass 10K by today. Or tomorrow, by tomorrow. Maybe today. But I don't think... So, see, just because we pass 10K, I'm not saying we're going to... You know, it's going to continue from there. I still believe that there's a good chance that we have a correction back down to the $77,000 to $8,000 range. Crypto Don said he needs to refresh. There are 139 likes. Ah, gotcha. George Zaff, Savvy, what do you think of XRP? I don't like XRP, but that's my opinion, man. Kaboom. Hey, does your wife offer t-shirts that are 50% cotton, 50% polyester? They are harder to print on, but they feel best. If she does, I'll buy like crazy. Yeah, she has 50-50. It's just not, it'll look more like vintage. It won't be as deep and dark like this, but I mean, it still doesn't come off or anything. But yeah, she could do 50-50. I think she recommends doing like 40% cotton and 60% polyester. But yeah, hit her up in her inkyourimage.com. It's down below. It's my wife's webpage, guys, if you want to check it out. But yeah, check it out, kabooms. Go down to the inkyourimage.com, go in there and hit her up on her. She's working today, but she'll still respond to you. But yeah, just hit her up on the what is it? The contact. That's what I meant. Hit her up in the contact there. Those of you guys that haven't seen, check out my wife's webpage. There's also stuff on there that isn't listed, like, you know, the hoodies, long sleeve shirts, keychains, some other stuff. But there's quite a bit of stuff in here. And she can put any crypto you want. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin or Litecoin. It can be anything you want on any of this stuff. Family pictures or whatever. It's not the cheap iron-on crap. It's not vinyl. It's actual real material that you can't feel. It's actually burnt in. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. And we're pumping. Looks like we're gonna pump. Good morning, Bitcoin porn. What's up, D Silva? Savvy, what coins has the most interesting fundamentals in your opinion, except Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum? I don't believe in any of what any of the other coins say. So I mean, if you want any opinions on that stuff, watch the guys that shill it. Any colors besides gray? Yeah, she does blue and everything else. She just can't. You can't put the print has to be darker than the color of the shirt. So that's how it is. It's called sublimation. Is the process. Flat Earth t-shirts too. She can do that, brother. I need a shirt with Craig Wright in the toilet. She can do that. She's good at designing crap too. What's up, Scotty? Guile, it depends on how high it goes. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We'll track it. Does your wife have big and tall? Yes, she can get all that stuff. Yep. We've actually made some 5X t-shirts, so. I think so, Scotty. Today or tomorrow. If we can break this resistance right here at, what are we at? At 90, 98, 90. A good chance. We are getting bearish divergence here that people are pointing out over and over. But if you guys know that too many people rely on it that way, there's also hidden bullish divergence showing in there. But if you look back here, I'll show you right here. So if you look at these peaks right here, this would have been bearish divergence right there. And you see what happened after that. A huge freaking pump. So you can't rely on that, guys. I like hidden divergence better than regular divergence. Seems to be more powerful. Just popping for a sec. Got called them to work today. All right. What's up, Jacob? I tried disproving the flat earth theory. Turns out there's more evidence for flat earth than round earth. I'm still effed up. Savvy, why do you defend the Tay? Dude, you are inhuman, man. Somebody get rid of that Tay guy. Serious issues, man. Serious issues. People are right about you know who being a racist, man. Emery, is it cold there by you? Yes, it's about, I think it's like 24 degrees today. I have a playlist on my YouTube dedicated to debunking flat earth, said Treese. Donked, sad. Yeah, man, there's some sad people in this world. It's horrible. I feel bad for them too. They're pretty miserable to be like that, so. Joseph said I need Litecoin to hit 1,500. You may get your wish in 2021. Kabooms, the world is a mess. It is. When you have crazy people that make other people crazy, it is bad. James McGirt with that kick. You can't do nothing with it. You can't move it or anything. Watch 99 or 77, 77, and 99, 99 to happen at the same time. Mark my words. It might be. It might be. Oh, Scotty, there's been a bunch of them haters in here. There's been a bunch. And a lot of racist ones, too, from the Racist Boy channel. I'm in the crypto and 2A community, and I can't believe the racist crap I see every day. Yeah, it's messed up, man. What's the 2A community? More haters is a sign of success. The more haters is just a sign of jealous, miserable people, man. How many hats do I own? Probably about, I don't know, 30 or so. I have a lot more, but a lot of them have green in them, and I can't wear them with the green screen. I'm digging my baby gains from Brave Browser. Not much now, but eventually, you never know. Right? Yeah, man, what's wrong with free crypto, right? Have you looked into the Mandela effect? Sounds familiar, but I've never heard of it. I mean, I don't think I've actually checked it out. Oh, what time is it? 12:17. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I think we'll eventually have we'll pop past this, and it may be actually sooner than later. But I gotta get off here. I got some stuff I gotta get done. Nap says no 10K today. We'll see, brother. So anyways, I appreciate it. You guys have a great day. If anything big happens and I got time, I may jump back on. Yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord. There's a Discord group down below in the description. In the members, we're doing a Zoom today. I'm definitely going to be doing a Zoom later, so I will notify you guys probably about an hour ahead of time. And we'll get together and take a look at some stuff. Sounds like you enjoyed doing this. It's a pleasure that you're not constantly shilling coins. You're on your A game. Thanks for what you do. Thanks, James. I appreciate it, man. And I hope it does help people out, and I hope you guys can learn something from this. So just be careful, guys. Don't get scammed. Don't watch who you trust in this whole community, especially, you're online, guys. Be careful. There's people that will befriend you and drag you into some scams and shit. So just don't get caught up in that stuff. Be vigilant. If you do know of a scam, let people know. You can join our Discord, and we try to let people know of everything that we can in there to try to keep people safe. Obviously, you won't be able to keep everybody safe, but we try. So thanks a lot, guys. I am out of here, and I will see you later. Don't forget to smash the likes on your way out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do daily updates every single morning. Take